So guys, here we are in 99 Nights in the Forest. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the working codes that you can redeem inside the game for the new animal taming update. I've got a bunch of new codes for this update, so whatever you do, don't skip around or go anywhere. Otherwise, you'll miss out on all the newest codes today. Believe me, there's a lot to get through. Now, quickly before we jump into any of these codes, I want to do a giveaway. You guys can win 700 free diamonds. All you have to do is 1. Like this video, 2. Subscribe to the channel, 3. Comment your Roblox username below, and most importantly, watch this video all the way through. Do all these steps and you'll be entered for a chance to win. Alright, now we have a lot of work and lots of 99 Nights in the Forest codes to redeem. Without further ado, let's dive into the newest codes. If you're not sure how to redeem codes in 99 Nights in the Forest, go to the currency shop, click on codes, and type your codes in there. These codes aren't in any particular order, so let's get started now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.